Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Discounts are great until they start cutting into your profits. Let me show you how to set up a hard limit on percentage codes in Shopify so you stay in control. Before we start, make sure to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have attached the link to this app in the description box. Just grab it from the and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now choose your discount type as your discount code and add any discount code. For now, I'm adding it for flat 10 and I'm choosing a discount code as 10 and the capping amount as 100. And I can either set this discount can be applied for all the products or a specific product or a specific collection. For now, I'm adding it for all the products. I can also set some minimum purchase requirement here. For now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. So I'm opting the first choice here. And I can also set some customer eligibility. Like if I want, I can set this offer to avail for all the customers or a customer with some tag or for only first order customers like that. Now I am choosing for all the customers. And I can also limit the number of time this discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here, which means that first 100 customers will be eligible for this offer to avail. And I can also set some start date and an end date through which this discount is active. And I can also combine the discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all these details, I'm saving the changes. So after saving it, I'm checking whether my discount code is got activated from the discount section. Now you can see that flatten is got activated. Now we can check this setup in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of worth 785 and I'm adding my discount code here. Now you can see that the 10% of 785 is 78 and it got deducted as expected. And we can check with some other product having a 10% value greater than 100. Now I'm trying to buy a product of worth 3000 and I'm applying my code here. Now you can see that the 10% of 3000 is 300, but we have capped the discount amount at 100 because we have already set the capping amount as 100. This ensures that the customers will not be getting any amount other than the capping amount, or the limit will be until the capping amount. Beyond capping amount, the discount will never go. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like, share and comment. What you are waiting for? Just grab the link up from the description and try this in your own store.